Behind every flick of a screen lies a masterpiece of engineering.
It begins with the purest materials. Aerospace-grade titanium, rare earth elements, glass.
Precision starts here. Each frame is carved from a solid block of metal, machined to a tolerance of less than 1/100th of a millimeter.
The lens of the world. Each camera module is a complex assembly of optics and silicon, calibrated for perfect clarity.
The nervous system of the galaxy is connected. Thousands of microscopic connections are secured by robots that never tire and never miss. Form meets function. The internal complexity is sealed within a shell of reinforced glass and metal, designed to withstand the elements.
Every pixel, every lens, and every sensor is calibrated. Before it leaves our sight, it must see the world perfectly.
Every sound is tuned. From the deepest bass to the clearest highs, we ensure the galaxy speaks with perfect harmony.
Every galaxy is a promise of perfection, polished, tested, and ready to connect you to your world.
Every touch is smooth. A microscopic coating ensures your galaxy remains as pristine as the day it was made. secure from the chip up. With Samsung Knox, every Galaxy is a fortress of your digital life.
At Samsung, quality isn't just a department, it's an obsession. Every device is monitored from the moment
there. We miss you guys.
We miss you too. When are you coming to visit?
From a single element to a global icon, this is the journey of a galaxy.